Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 6 Factor and Multiplies. Factor and multiples वाला है chapter आपका. So I will start this chapter. Now come to the first exercise and the first question. The exercise is for your SCF highest common factor. So how can find the highest common factor? First of all, your first question, that is your first question, and here is first part. So there is 120 and 104. So how can do? First, do the prime factor of these. So 120, it is divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12 and 0. Once again by 2. 2 3 ja. Once again by 2. So 2 15 ja. Once again by 3. 5 ja. And once again by 5, it becomes 1. Now come to the 104. So 104 is like this. It is divided by 2. 2 5 ja 10 and 2 2 ja 4. Once again it is divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. So once again 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. So there is divided by 13 and it is 1 ja. So that means 120 prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2s and 1 3 and 1 5. Now 104, you can check 104. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. 3 times 2 and 1 times 13. So highest common factor, that is the HCF. What will be HCF? Highest common factor. So first of all, you check this 2 and this 2 is common in both. So you can write 2. Again this 2 and this 2 is common in both. So you can write 2. And last 2 is also common. So you can write into 2. There is 5 and 13 is not common. So 2 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. So 8 is your answer. Similarly, your this question, that means your third question. This second and fourth for your homework you can do at home in your copy. So I will do your third portion. So how can do the third portion? Third portion is first do the prime factor. So first of all, we can do 150. 150 is divided by 2. 2 7 ja 5 and 2 5 ja 10. Once again it is divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Once again by 2 5. So 5 5 ja, and here is once again 5. It's 5 1 ja. Now do the prime factor of 140. It is 2 7 ja 0. Now 2 2 3 ja and 2 5 ja 10. Once again 5 से कर दो divide. 5 7 ja and 7 1 ja 7. Now come to the 210. So how can 210? First it is divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 0 and 2 5 ja 10. Once again it is divided by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15. Now it is divided by 5. So 7 ja, so it is divided by 7 and it's 1. Now come to the factorization. What will be happen? 150, 140 and 210. So you can write, you can write, so 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. And what about to 140? It is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now come to the 210. It is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now highest common factor, that is the HCF. How can find the HCF? Which one is common? You can check here, only two, this two and this two and this two is a common in 3. So you can write 2 into 3 is not common, only 5 is common. 5 is one here and one here and one here. So you can write 5. So 2 5 are 10 and that is your answers. Yes, second question, find out HCF by the division method. So डिविजन मेथड में पहले इन सबको जो है हमें पहले नोटेट करना पड़ेगा, यानी डिवाइड करके शो करना पड़ेगा. So first question, first I will start your first question. It is 52 and 576. That is your first question. So first of all, 252 divide to 576. 25 2 ja 50, so you can 2 times, take 2 times, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10 and 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. Here is subtract करो इसमें, it is 2 and here is 7. 72. Now 72 divide to 252. So it will be 3 times. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21. So we get here 4. No, it is 6 and here is 3. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now it divides to 72. It is 2 times 72, 72. So answer is your 36. So you can write HCF is equal to 36 as your answer. It is your answer. Now come to the second part, the third part. What happened in third part? So that is your third part. There is 3 digits. This one, 72, 96 and 144. So first 96 divided by 72. So first of all you can write 72 and here is 96. How many times? It is 1 times. It is 72. 6 minus 2, that is the 4. And you say 9 minus 7, that is 2. It is divided by 72. What will be happen? It will 3 times. So 3 4 ja 12 and 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7. So there is no. That means 24 is common in both. Now 144 is also divided by 24. So how many times? It is 6 times. 6 4 ja 24, carry 2 and 6 2 ja 12 and 2 14. So this will be cancelled out. So your answer is 24. So you can write HCF is equal to 24. It is your answer. It is a division method, not a prime factorization. You can do also with this method, prime factorization method, but it is division method. So you can do with this method. Question number 3. Question number 3. What would the HCF for two consecutive numbers? What is the meaning of consecutive number? So you can check here consecutive numbers. Consecutive number is 3, 4, 5, 6, anyone 3, 4, or you can say 5, 6, or you can say 7, 8. So let two consecutive number 5 and 6. There is no any common factor. So your answer of HCF is 1. So that is your answer of this third question. So you can do very well easily. Now come to the fourth question. This fourth question, what will be happen in this? It is factorization method. You can find the HCF of both and divide to this. So first of all, 144 divided by 256. So how can do this? First of all, you can divide it by 2. So 2 6 are 12. No. First of all, 2 7 are 14, and 2 2 are 4, and 2 2 are 4. Here is 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, and 2 8 are 16. Now once again divided by 2. So 2 3 are 6, and 2 6 are 12, and 2 1 are 2. So here is 2 6 are 12, and 2 4 are 8. But there is no any common factor in 361 or 64. So your answer would be 361 upon 64. So that is your answer. Question number 5. Two small tankers contains 85 and 68 liters of petrol respectively. Find out the maximum capacity of the measuring vessel with which the total quantity of petrol can be measured. So there is a word which word maximum capacity. This one is maximum capacity. It shows to find the HCF of the both. This maximum capacity is shows to HCF. So you can find the HCF of both 85 and 68. It's your choice. You can do any method. I will do with the help of prime factorization method. So first of all, 85 it is divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 3 carry, and 5 7 ja 15. So once again it is divided by 17 and we get 1. And here is 68. So 68 divided by 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja. Once again divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 17 ja, and once again by 17, so 1 ja. So you can write 85 is equal to 5 into 17. And what about to 68? 68 is 2 into 2 into 17. So you can find the HCF. HCF is equal to how much? The common factors, that is 17 only. So your HCF is 17. So find out the maximum capacity of this one. So your maximum capacity is 17 liters. So you can write here maximum capacity is equal to 17 liter. So that is your answer. Question number 6. Find out the largest divisor for the number 389, 436 and 542 that would give 4, 7 and 3 respectively as remainder. Means largest number find करना है हमें, यानी highest common factor, और डिवाइड करने पे इसमें से 4, 7 और 3 रिमाइंडर बचने चाहिए. सो हाउ कैन डू दिस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो रिमाइंडर बचने हैं इसको ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम चलते हैं इसको. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 389, इसमें से 4 माइनस करना है. सेकेंड नंबर इज 436, इसमें से माइनस करना है आपको 4 तो हो चुका है 7. सो वी गेट 429 एंड यहाँ से जो है 542 में से 3 माइनस करना है. सो वी गेट 539. हियर इज 385. अब जो फाइंड करना है इनका HCF फाइंड करना, दिस नंबर एंड दिस नंबर. So how can do this? So you have 3 numbers, 385, second number is 429 and third number is 539. So first of all, first 2 numbers. So you have how many numbers? You have 385. You have number 385. Second number is 429 and third number is 539. So first of all, we can do with the help of division method. So 385 divide to 429. So first of all it is 1 times. So 385, here is 4 and once again 4. Now divided to 385, it's how many times? It's 8 times. So it becomes 352 and do the minus or subtract this one. So we get 4. We get 3333. Once again divided by 44. So it is 1 time. We get 11 and divide to 33, it is 3 times 33, so there is no number. That means 11 is a highest common factor. Now check to 539, this number 539, so 539 is also divided by 11, so what will be happen? So first of all, 4 times 11 4 ja 44, so we get here 9, and there is 99, and 11 9 ja 99, that will be cancel out. So your answer is this one, 11. So 11 is your answer. You can write 11 as answer. So it is very clear to, you can do all the questions in this exercise very well. यहाँ पे अब ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। बाकी जो रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन है आपको होमवर्क के रूप में करना है और कॉपी कंप्लीट करके रखेंगे। जब स्कूल खोलेंगे तो मैं कॉपी को चेक करूँगा। सो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को जो है सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट्स भी करेंगे कैसा आप लोगों को लग रहा है, मैं जिससे और अच्छी वीडियो आपको बना करके भेज सकूँ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।